Chrome has thousands of extensions, but most of them aren't worth installing. These are the ones that actually fix everyday browsing problems. uBlock Origin Lite blocks ads and trackers as you browse. One thing worth knowing is that it installs in a weaker default mode because of a recent Chrome policy change. Switch it to complete mode in settings for noticeably better blocking. It takes 10 seconds, and almost nobody does it. Cookie banners are the other daily tax. Consent-O-Matic answers those pop-ups automatically based on preferences you set once. No more clicking accept 15 times a day. Next problem, your tabs. OneTab turns every open tab into a single list with one click. Bring them back when you actually need them, and Chrome runs noticeably lighter with fewer tabs open. You'll also keep finding things worth saving: an article, a product, a screenshot. Google Keep extension saves a page, image, or selected text in one click. Saving isn't the same as doing something with it. Most saved links never get opened again. Todoist extension turns a page into an actual task instead of a bookmark you'll forget. Select text, turn it into a to-do, and close the tab. If you save a lot, bookmarks stop being enough. Raindrop.io organizes everything into searchable collections instead of a folder of 400 identical bookmark titles. Land on a page in another language? Google Translate's extension translates selected text or the whole page, no copying into a separate tab. Woppalizer tells you what a website is actually built with: the framework, the analytics tools, the payment processor. Mostly for developers, but a fun way to satisfy curiosity about any site. Dark Reader forces dark mode onto sites that don't have one, with brightness and contrast control per site. Useful late at night when a plain white page feels like a flashlight to the face. For research, GoFullPage captures an entire page, top to bottom, in one click, saved as an image or PDF. No more stitching together 5 separate screenshots. Printing from a website is usually a mess. Ads, nav bars, half the page you didn't ask for. PrintFriendly strips all that out before you print or save. Grammarly checks spelling and grammar as you type anywhere in the browser and flags when your tone misses what you meant. Picture-in-Picture pops a video into a small floating window that stays on top of your other tabs. Watch a tutorial while you work, or keep a call visible while you take notes. Video Speed Controller speeds up or slows down video on almost any site. Not just YouTube, but Netflix, course platforms, anywhere. Useful if you watch a lot of tutorials or lectures. Explaining something to someone? Loom records your screen and camera and hands you a link to send, faster than writing a paragraph or booking a meeting. Momentum replaces your new tab page with a simple dashboard, background image, daily focus, to-do list. Free for the basics. Extras like habit tracking sit behind a paid tier. Subscribe to Beyond Google for hidden websites and internet tools.